Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is T-Bro Paul, and today we will be going over the best way to factor polynomials. In our previous tips and tricks video, we discussed every single way to factor polynomials, but there's a way to never make a mistake when factoring any type of polynomial. So, after factoring any polynomial with the desired and recommended method, you must go back and check your answer to determine if you factored correctly. This allows you to catch any mistakes before handing in your assignment or test to the teacher. To check your work, you simply distribute each factor to one another and see if you get the original expression given to you. If you're not sure whether you know all the factoring methods, a playlist will be linked in the description below as well as the top right-hand corner of your screen. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Check the description for other helpful resources and make sure to leave any questions in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.